Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use bookings for Microsoft Office 365 on my computer. Tutorial 7. Switch to the old layout. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or business. So we're going to go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome. In this case, now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on the top left corner of the screen, all applications. Go to bookings, where we see the three dots. Go to open in a new tab. And now click on the calendar. Go to the top right corner of the screen, and where it says try new bookings, this is currently the new bookings layout, what we see on screen. But in this tutorial, we are looking to switch back to the old layout. I don't know how long they will leave this for, as they roll out new layouts and features. They then get rid of everything that was there in the past. So we can now click on try new bookings just to go back, as we are unticking the box, and there we have now reverted back to the original layout of bookings from Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.